welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to enable date and time on your camera. So I have a Canon EOS M50. I'll just gonna let you know how you can customize these particular options in your camera. You just need to turn on the camera, and if you look on the right hand side you have a menu option. So you're just gonna click menu. We have settings. Under the drop down you see there is an option date, time and zone. Specifically, we'll first talk about the date and time. Zone is something which can be, customized according to your preferences, where whichever country you are in. I'm just going to select the date first, which is in a form of DDY. So first the day, then the month, and then the year. So day is 26th, month is 10th, and then the year. So then we will go to the next segregated section, which is time. I'm just gonna put in the time there. Whatever options I am making a change, I am clicking OK to it so that I can set the specific time, be it a specific day. So once I give it a go, so it will just gonna adjust the entire setting in that particular way. So moving on, once the date and the time is set, I give it a go, and I see that yes, this is working for my specific day and a time that I wanted to. So let's go back to the function settings again. Now let's look into the zone. As I mentioned before, we do have a lot of options. We have Karachi, Bangalore, sorry, not Bangalore. We have Karachi, Dubai, all the countries mentioned over there. So I am in India, so I'll just gonna go with Delhi. So then I give it a go to it, and that is how you selected, you enable the function for your zone as well. I hope you find this video informative. So do like, share, subscribe, comment below, and stay tuned with our channel. Bye bye.
So high up,